First time ever trying TGI Fridays. And of course I have to try the rectangular mozzie sticks. Missing a little seasoning on the outside, but these are actually pretty good.
Bombastic side eye.
Dasani, straight ass. These are the famous whiskey glazed chicken wings. I get them bone in because I'm an adult. The chicken wing is drier than your sex life on Valentine's Day, but the sauce is actually pretty good. The glaze has a little bit of smoke to it. A little sweet, a little salty. And they're potato skins with cheese and bacon. It tastes exactly like what you would think. And lastly, the most ordered dish on the menu, the shrimp and chicken Cajun pasta. What is this? It's a humongous breadstick. That's a hard no for me, dog. That's what the chicken looks like. I do like the amount of sauce they put in this because this thing is drenched. Chicken in there is actually pretty juicy too. A little bit of shrimp. It definitely lacks a little bit of seasoning and it's all cream. Dad! But aside from that, pretty solid. Going into this, I honestly thought this would be in the 3s. I would give it a 6.2 out of 10. Oh no!